Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech4Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language in Among Us. To change language in Among Us, open up the Among Us application on your device. From the main menu, go ahead and tap on the settings button from the left inside menu. Now, click on the data option in the pop-up. Inside data, you will see the language drop down. Tap on it and then choose your desired language from the menu. Once you select the language, you will then be able to change the display language in the game automatically. You can always repeat this step for any other language choice you want to apply to the game. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language in Among Us. If you like the video, go ahead and like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.